Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your Instagram account. First, go to your Instagram app, go to your profile picture, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and go to Creator Tools and Controls. From here, you just have to tap on Add a new professional account. Let's go ahead and continue and follow through process for you to be able to make a monetization account. First, now, once you are done setting up your creator account, the account that you want to get monetized, all you have to do is go back to the three lines right here, then scroll down, go to creator tools and controls, and from here you go to monetization status. Now right here, this will be a specific page in which you will know if your account is capable of getting monetized. Now once your account is able to be monetized, all you have to do is to add payments, and then you will just have to customize all of these options on creator page. So you can go ahead and add a new professional account. You can do appointment request, set up your frequently asked question. You can save replies, link profile shops. You can even add partnership ads, branded content, and please to make sure that you make this as your first priority. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.